Have you ever pondered the process of how new drugs are approved for human trials? It's an intricate dance of data collection, regulatory compliance, and meticulous planning, all culminating in the submission of an investigational new drug, or IND, application. The journey begins with preclinical studies. These are conducted in laboratory animals to assess the safety and efficacy of the investigational drug. This foundational research offers valuable insights into how the drug might work in humans. Next comes the development of chemistry, manufacturing, and controls, or CMC. This section of the IND application ensures that the drug is consistently manufactured and meets quality standards. It details the drug's composition, manufacturing processes, and quality control measures. Then a comprehensive clinical development plan is crafted. This plan outlines the proposed indications, study objectives, patient population, endpoints, and trial design. It's a roadmap underpinned by scientific rationale and preclinical data. Safety data is a critical part of an IND application. It includes adverse effects observed in preclinical studies and pertinent safety data from previous human exposure. It also outlines how risks will be mitigated and adverse events monitored. A robust regulatory strategy is central to successful IND submissions. This strategy incorporates a thorough understanding of regulatory requirements and engagement with regulatory experts. Detailed clinical trial protocols are then drafted. These protocols outline study objectives, design, methodology, patient eligibility criteria, treatment regimen, and statistical analysis plan. Their aim is to produce robust and interpretable data. An investigator brochure is also prepared. This brochure provides comprehensive information about the investigational drug, including summaries of preclinical and clinical data, pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic information, and safety profiles. Throughout this process, there's a continuous engagement in regulatory interactions. Pre-IND meetings and transparent communication with regulatory agencies help to address inquiries or concerns promptly. Once complete, the IND application undergoes a thorough review by regulatory agencies. This review ensures compliance with ethical and scientific standards and often involves multiple rounds of evaluation and potential requests for additional information. Post-IND approval, it's crucial to adhere to regulatory requirements for conducting clinical trials. These include obtaining informed consent, monitoring safety data, and promptly reporting adverse events, alongside ongoing communication with regulatory agencies. In essence, the preparation and submission of an IND application require meticulous planning, execution, and collaboration. By providing comprehensive data and documentation to support the safety and efficacy of the investigational drug, pharmaceutical companies can navigate the regulatory process effectively. This advances their drug candidates toward potential approval and commercialization. So the next time you see a headline about a new drug entering human trials, remember the complex journey that's taken place behind the scenes. It's a journey of discovery, diligence, and dedication, all in the pursuit of improving human health.